Assalamu alaikum respected teachers and our investors. My name is Ashir Amjad. My registration ID is 44111. I have four more group members along with me: Sayyid Wajahat Hidar, Sayyida Sabika Zehra, Mirza Ubaid Beg, and Muhammad Rahil Tariq. So after completing our report and proceeding our vlog, we will implement lean canvas model in this vlog on our business idea. So let's start from the problem. The problem that we have identified is that the whole world is producing 20 billions of tons of waste. Among them, 2.5 million are cotton waste and only been receiving by the Asian countries, that is China, Pakistan, Bangladesh and India. And it causes global warming because most of the waste are have been throwing into the sea, burning out on the roads, and some of them are reused. So we came up with the idea, why not we will reproduce this waste in terms of an efficient product and reuse it. So our solution of this problem and the idea is that we will procure this waste as much as we can, and we will go through this cotton waste into a process that contain washing, cleaning and cutting and restitching. Then we will produce a product that is cotton regis, because there are many oil refineries companies in UAE, Oman and in Saudi Arab, especially some of the multinational company here, manufacturing company here in Pakistan, who demands uncertainly annually the cotton regis because of the cleaning purpose and because of the oil leakage checking purpose and for the dusting purpose. So we decided to reproduce this waste into cotton regis, and we will target them all the manufacturing companies. Now I would like to call Sayyid Wajah Haider to describe the USP of our business. Thank you.
Unique value proposition is we are providing an additional package. So our competitors provide these additional package into the minimum of 100 kgs. However, we are accommodate to our customers according to their needs, desire and make the packaging according to their demands. For example, we will provide additional packages to the customers at 20 kg. Although it's an additional cost, but we will not charge from our customers. And also we will trying to meet our uncertain demand of our customers. So we will buy stock in a bulk quantity and store them in a warehouse. And according to their seasonal demand, we will have to enough stock to meet the demands of our customers. So customers can rely upon us and he will buy from us.
So I'm going to tell you that how we are approaching our customers. We are using three main channels to approaching our customer. First main we are using is email. We'll mail different factory owners, mill owners to have our product. We'll negotiate over there. We'll approach them through email, especially to the owners of companies who live in our country. We'll approach them in the easiest way, which is email. Secondly, we have hired a middleman for us who will work on commission. He'll live abroad and will arrange different kind of meetings for us with different factory owners. Let's say, especially we have hired him to arrange meetings with oil refinery owners because those people are our main target. Third channel we are using is just by the paid content ads, which will appear on our websites, different social media websites, which will approach a unit quantity people or the small target markets we have.
Our project major costing is procurement cost, in which 2 containers of 40 H2K will import every month and it has cost of 4 million. Furthermore, we have to maintain stock of 2 million in our inventory to meet uncertain situations and demand. Another, we have to pay fixed costs, which are marketing cost, utility bills, warehousing cost, transportation cost. And if you talk about our unique proposition, so it has our packaging supply as per customer demand. And another important thing is we pay middleman commissions. We don't put these commissions on our customers. All the commissions will be paid by us.
Assalamu alaikum. We have two major revenue streams. Number one, multinational companies. Number two, end users through website. In multinational companies, we are targeting oil refineries companies. In oil refinery country, cotton rags are very needful products, so they are want a ton of quantities. And number two, we are selling to end user through website. Through website, we are selling our product in a limited quantity, like bike shops, hospital, offices. They need these types of product in limited prices, so we are providing them through website in a limited prices and a free delivery in all our Pakistan, in all our Karachi. By these two components, we are generating our revenue Thank you.